Dear students, in the previous video, we understood the importance of supervision. Why a counselor has to have a senior supervisor where he can always back upon for, getting a feedback on the kind of counseling session he or she is doing. In this part of the video, we are going to understand a small segment regarding the formats for providing supervision. So there are different formats for providing supervision, and each of your counselors, that is the senior supervisors, and each organization have their own formats which they follow. Few of the common formats which we are going to discuss is basically as follows. Keeping in mind the number of formats, one of the commonmost one that is probably applicable universally is the most common arrangement is to make a contact for individual sessions over a period of time with the same person. So the first important format under supervision is basically, it is always good as trainee counselors to bank upon one supervisor constantly so that you are discussing the cases. There is a lot of progress and a lot of constant feedback that you're getting from your senior supervisors. And the second important format is a variant on this approach is to use separate consultants to explore specific issues. Sometimes there might be certain probabilities that you may have to bank upon a different supervisor depending upon the specific case issues which you are facing. So many a times you cannot go and bank upon one particular senior supervisor whom you are always going and approaching. So there can be certain times it may also happen in such a way that you may have to have separate senior supervisors for different specific issues that you have to discuss. The next important format under providing supervision is the case discussion group, where you are going to a group counseling where all the counselors are coming in a group counseling platform and you are trying to discuss each of the different kinds of cases that you are dealing in your professional life. So the case discussion group is a type of group supervision that gives particular attention to understanding the personality of family dynamics of the client. So many a times you can come in a group and have different kinds of discussions regarding the cases that you are dealing with. The next important format of uh, providing supervision is through peer supervision. So in peer supervision, groups involve a group of counselors meeting to engage in supervision of each other without there being a designated leader or consultant. Many a times, if you do not want to discuss anything with your supervisor, there can always be a possibility that as counselors, you form a platform, you have a peer supervision discussion to understand the cases that you're dealing with. Finally, the last format of providing supervision is this is basically, there are networks consist of a set of colleagues who are available for mutual or peer supervision on either a one-to-one or a small group basis. So in the end, what are we trying to understand is there are different formats of supervision that is provided. Many a times these formats are a little overlapping, but yet ultimately relying on other sources to basically validate your counseling sessions also becomes very, very important. I hope this video has given you an understanding of the different formats that are available for providing supervision. Thank you.